Hi and a warm welcome. My name is Danielle Collins. I'm the world leading face yoga expert, and I'm going to show you how to use one of my favourite little tools. It's this Jade comb. Now we stock these at faceyogaexpert.com/shop, and we get them from the beautiful hayo'u method. Now the reason I love using this comb for face massage is it's made of the most beautiful quality jade. This has such healing benefits. It's absolutely wonderful for helping to promote hair growth. It's very good for releasing tension, and I use it first thing every morning for around 30 seconds to a minute and just before I go to bed. And I find that it really helps to prevent headaches. It's very good for lowering stress. And there's a real school of thought, particularly in Eastern medicine, that when we release tension from the head, we also release tension from our face, and therefore helps our face to look younger and fresher. So I'm going to show you how to use this now. We start off just taking the comb gently through the top of the hair. Now you can be quite intuitive with this. If it feels right to go a bit deeper, do so. I really just like doing sort of smaller strokes to start off with, all the way across the head, coming down this way. I'm going to swap hands here now, just working across the head. It feels so good straight away. I just feel any stress and tension I've been holding on to release. And I love, as I hold it, I'm getting all those beautiful crystal benefits. Now I'm just going to do slightly longer strokes all the way down. And this is very good if you find that you get hair loss, or if you find that your hair's thinning. It's a really beautiful one to use. If you do have any medical conditions that you're concerned about, please check with the doctor before you use it. And then I'm just going to do some little strokes now. So let's just do some little strokes here, going all the way across the hairline and this way, moving all the way across. Just feels beautiful. Now we're going to do the back of the head. So we're just working up this area right at the back of the scalp, and again start with some shorter strokes here and then start to go a little bit higher into the scalp. Oh, it feels so nice. And then you just do the middle part. You can do a little few ones working across and then just bring the head down. And what I quite like to do, because of these lovely crystal healing benefits, is I just press it across my hairline. And if I've got any areas where I feel particularly tight or tense, sometimes this area feels tense, I just press it for a few moments, keep my eyes closed, tune in to how the head feels. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. So I hope you've enjoyed learning how to use this beautiful jade comb. It's really worth the investment. You'll have this tool for life and you'll use it every single day. So just go to faceyogaexpert.com/shop. Take care, sending you lots of love.